Hello guys, and welcome back again with another video. Finally guys, you finally saw my face, and today I'm back again with another video most of you guys are not ready for. Today I'm bringing you 5 things plus a bonus which I really wish I would love to see on SHOTCUT future versions. Let's go straight to it. I've marked some of the things on my phone, and I'll be looking on my phone back and forth to ensure that I'm giving you exactly what I have planned for the videos. Okay, firstly, SHOTCUT is one of the most hated softwares.
If you're starting out as a video editor, I would not go with SHOTCUT.
Anyone who uses this to make full videos, like, I respect. My shotgun uses shotgun. My shotgun, I respect you, shotgun uses shotgun. Just switch to something else, maybe DaVinci, the free one.
A lot of people really hate SHOTCUT, but I'll be using SHOTCUT to create, I've been using actually SHOTCUT to create so much dope videos. The videos that I loved, a lot of videos which I really believe are one of the videos one of the most perfect videos I ever created in my editing career. Firstly, let me show you a couple of videos I actually created using SHOTCUT. Let me just go straight to it. 5 things that I would love to see on SHOTCUT. Number 5, 3D camera tracking. Firstly, I would love to see like 3D camera tracking on SHOTCUT, because I really feel like this will make me my things very easy when I'm editing, when I'm inserting like the 3D objects on my videos. You know, it will make everything very easy for me to create. Like example, it will be easy for me like when I want to edit like a 3D bullet, you know. So right now, like, I cannot do that. I have to do a lot of things to actually create such a thing, but it's very impossible. It's highly impossible. That's why like a lot of people like will switch back and forth. You can also use Netron, which also is a free open source software, or you can also use Blender, which is also like a free open source software. That's the first thing that I would love to see on SHOTCUT, like seeing the team actually adding like the 3D camera tracking or a 2.5 camera tracking. That's number 1. Going to the second part. The second part is very kind of something that they have been working on. I have saw a lot of changes ever since I firstly used SHOTCUT until right now. There has been so much improvement. Now I'm talking about the advanced audio editing. I love to edit a lot of action movies using SHOTCUT, and as I edit a lot of action movies, I would love to have the ability to edit my own audio within like the SHOTCUT software. I really don't love how like they show panoramic EQ, you know. So I would love to see those things in a very different form, but it is still the same thing. But I would love to see it like the advanced editing. Like I was editing a movie whereby like someone was killing someone, but I couldn't find like the phone effect, so I have to take the clip I recorded from SHOTCUT and put it to another software to actually get the telephone effect. So I love to see a lot of audio editing tools on SHOTCUT. Let's go straight to number 3. Number 3 gotta be one of my favorite. This is one thing that I wish SHOTCUT can work right now. I'm talking about multiple slash sequence within one project. I would love to have multiple sequences or timeline within my project. So this is something that I saw on VideoPad. As some of you have been subscribing to my channel, I'm pretty sure you guys know like I was using VideoPad before I moved to SHOTCUT. So what VideoPad had, they had an option for me to have 2 sequences, you know, 2 sequences, sequence 1 and sequence 2. Each sequence has its own timeline. So this actually make like your work flow very smoothly and easy. So what am I talking about? So if I'm editing like a video where like I have a lot of effects, I can go to sequence 2 and edit that scene which has a lot of effects. Edit that scene. After editing that entire scene, I can export that scene, then put it on my sequence number 1, of which sequence number 1 will act like my main sequence. rather than editing everything on one sequence. That is kind of very confusing, and that has makes that there are a lot of things which actually happens during this. For example, I was editing a music video for an artist. When I was editing, I decided to put a clip in the beginning of my timeline. Then all my clip moved. Then when I started playing the video, everything now did not align with the audio. Like the mount didn't align with the audio. So to avoid such things, it will be easy if like we had different sequences, edit those sequences, do all the effects on the different sequence. Then you export the sequence, then you put it back to the main sequence. Guys, can you please try to do this one? Please try to work on it. We want multiple sequence. We want to have first sequence, which will be your main sequence. Sequence number 2, which you'll do like the setting, effects. Sequence number 3, sequence number 4. Please do work on that one. Back to number 4. Number 4 is kind of a little bit similar to the previous one. I'm talking about merging and bouncing the clips together. So what do I really mean? What I mean is that if I'm editing a video, or what kind of a video I'm editing, I edit the video. I'm done with let's say like we usually have markers. I'm done with the intro of whatever I'm editing. You know, I love to take whatever clips I have, then I match them to be one solo clip. That's why I'm saying it's kind of similar to the previous one. You know, you gotta match all those clips to be one clips. So I would love to see this one. If I have a video which has a lot of multiple tracks, or the video which has a lot of tracks, I want those tracks to come together to be one clip. That's what I really mean. I would love to see SHOTCUT actually add this feature on their softwares. This will be a major play. This will be a major game changing in the software. It will make our job, our work very easy. Please try to do this one also. Then going to number 5. Number 5 will be kind of tricky because I'm pretty sure SHOTCUT, the team doesn't have enough money to do some of the things, but those are the things that you guys are currently working on. I would love to have like a little bit of an AI within the software. I know this is kind of very hard because of the finances. It is a free open source software, so you don't have enough funding to push the boundaries of the video editing software. But I would love to see a couple of AI within the software. Like what I mean, maybe let's talk about an example like rotoscoping. I'd love to see like for me to rotoscope myself, like just to cut myself out. I would love to see that very easy. Just select whatever I want it to rotoscope, then boom, that's all. So this is one of the few things that those are the 5 things that I would love to see. Then going to my bonus. My bonus is kind of similar to number 3 and number 4. If you feel like this matching clip thing will take a little bit longer, now we are talking about the bonus. The bonus is I'd love to have an option. I'd love to have an option to save like a certain area within my video. Okay, what do I mean? I have like a 10 minutes video and I only want to save maybe from 4 minutes to 7 minutes. I'll have to have an option to select from the 4 minutes, from the 4th minute to the 6 minutes. So just select this area, then export the area which is selected rather than to export the full video. I'll have to have this option. This is one of the options which will also play a major role because every time I edit, like I edit and I have multiple tracks, multiple effects, I'll just select this area, then I export it, then I remove this part which has multiple effects, then I insert like the full one. It will also be a very game-changing thing. So those are the 6 things. Those are actually 5 things with my bonus that I would love to see on SHOTCUT. So I really don't know what you guys think. I would love to see software editors to actually leave the comments. Let me know what do they think about this, or what can we do to actually see those things happen. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment. See you on the next one.